Have you ever wondered why conditional statements are so important in programming? Well, today we're going to answer that question by diving deep into the world of if, elif, and else statements. Imagine you're a traffic light controlling a busy intersection. Your job is to manage the flow of traffic based on certain conditions. Similarly, in programming, we use conditional statements to control the flow of our program based on certain conditions. First up, the if statement. It's like a traffic light turning green. It signals the program to execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. For instance, consider the following code where x equals 10. Here, the print command will only run if the condition, x being greater than 5, is true. Next, we have the elif, or else if, statement. This comes into play when the if condition fails, like a traffic light turning yellow. It gives the program a second option to consider. For example, x equals sign 5 if x and gt. 5, elif x equals sign 5. In this scenario, if the first condition, x being greater than 5, is false, the program checks the second condition, x being equal to 5. If this condition is true, it executes the corresponding block of code. Lastly, we have the else statement. This is like a traffic light turning red. It provides a default action when none of the preceding conditions are met. As such, here, if neither of the first two conditions are true, the program executes the block of code inside the else statement. Now, for more complex circumstances, we can nest these statements within each other. It's like having multiple traffic lights controlling different lanes. In this case, the second if statement is nested within the first one. So, to sum up, if, elif, and else statements are like traffic lights of programming. They control the flow of your program, allowing it to respond flexibly to different conditions. These conditional statements are vital tools in a programmer's kit, shaping code that is dynamic, responsive, and intelligent. So, next time you're stuck in traffic, remember how much you have in common with a traffic light.